Greetings, I'm Nathan the Gray, and this is my bro Carson. And today we're going to be talking about plant cells.
So first, we're going to be talking about the cool and interesting plant cells. Plant cells are very important to the plants. Without them, we wouldn't have plants or food. There are many different parts of the cool and interesting plant cell. And matter of fact, that's what we're going to be talking about.
The first part of the plant cell I want to talk about is the cell wall. And
It's huge.
It's huge.
Take that, China.
Why would you say that?
I don't know.
The cytoplasm and the cell wall is the border around the cell that protects it. The cytoplasm is the white stuff on the bottom of the cell, and it makes them the cell.
I know it might sound like I'm talking about crystal, but I assure you I'm still talking about plant cells, sadly. The Duras crystal is the part of the plant cell that protects it from bad germs, anything that want to tear it apart, rip it, or kill it.
The nucleus and the nucleolus, they sound very similar, but they are different. The nucleus is a light pink part here, and the nucleolus is the dark pink part inside the nucleolus, and are two of the most important parts of this plant cell. The nucleus and the nucleolus act like the command centers of the cell.
Now we're going to talk about mitochondria and the chloroplast. The mitochondria is basically the powerhouse of the cell. How do they keep all that power in the house? Who knows? I don't. They are organelles that act like a digestive system. Gross. For the cell and gives the cell its energy. The chloroplast conduct physiologist, I don't know. Photosynthesis for the plant.
And now, what I want to talk about is smooth ER and rough ER.
I didn't know plants needed ER rooms. They must be pretty clumsy.
Well, they are.
Here, no surprise there.
Not that, I meant the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth ER is an organelle found in both plants and animal cells. The main purpose of the smooth ER is to control the hormones of the plant. And the rough ER is found throughout the plant cell, but its density is higher near the nucleus, and the rough ER is responsible for most of the plant's proteins.
Excuse me.
Excuse
Excuse me.
I feel like I'm on cable 3.
Me too. Wait, we're on worldwide, dude. Don't you remember?
Oh no.
Someone help me. What about the large vacuole? Well, the large vacuole is an organelle found in plant cells. It is often the largest organelle in the cell. It is surrounded by membrane and functions to hold its materials. It functions to maintain the proper pressure within the plant cells to provide structure and support for the growing plant.
And what about the large central vacuole?
When the plant cell stops growing, it usually has a large central vacuole. Sometimes the vacuole can take up more than half of the volume of the cell. The vacuole holds most of the large amounts of water and food. Yeah. There's a ribstone and an amoplaster.
Ribsomes are the cell Sure, in the cell that makes the protein for the cell. The aminoplast transforms glucose and a simple sugar into starch, which helps the plants grow.
For the grand finale, we're going to be talking about Golgi apparatus.
I was gonna say Goldilocks. Did you just say Golgi apparatus? Asparagus, that's a vegetable.
No, I was talking about the Golgi apparatus, which is part of the plant cell that sorts all the modifies and potions, proteins.
Yeah, we're not in Harry Potter.
Sadly not.
Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.
Goodbye.